Starting around 30 November 2023, stepn truly is exchanging at $0.2613 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, or so they explicitly thought. GMT truly has a very complete market cap of $362,253,940, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $84,079,964 in a very huge manner. This basically makes stepn, GMT, certainly positioning at 117 in the digital currency market in a sort of significant manner. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the stepn cost expectation end of 2023, what will stepn certainly be somewhat worth in 2023, which sort of is very huge. Is stepn in every practical sense, wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will GMT value sort of outperform its record-breaking high, or so they explicitly thought? These truly are our stepn cost expectations for GMT'(S) future in an essentially large manner. stepn, GMT, value expectation 2023 as per the stepn gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the GMT cost in a real sense is supposed to commonly cross a truly normal value level of $0.3477, the normal truly least value worth of stepn, toward the finish of the by and large current year, ought to basically be $0.3316, or so they generally thought. Besides, GMT can truly arrive at a very most extreme value level of $0.3607 in a genuinely significant manner. stepn, GMT, value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of stepn certainly is fundamentally anticipated to essentially arrive at a typical cost of $0.3375, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $0.3472 and a kind of least of $0.3054. Which for the most part shows that will GMT cost by and large outperform its record-breaking high, or so they in a real sense thought. stepn, GMT, value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, stepn cost generally is estimate to by and large arrive at a kind of the least cost of $0.3316 in an extremely huge manner. The GMT cost could in a real sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $0.3607, with the in every practical sense, normal expected cost around $0.3477 in a sort of significant manner. stepn especially passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been certainly diminished by 3.84% in its genuinely current worth in a huge manner. Assuming that we explicitly look at the sort of current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap especially is likewise down, essentially further appearance how stepn, GMT, value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of stepn really is fundamentally anticipated to especially arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0.3375, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.3472 and an especially least of $0.3054, which truly shows that will GMT cost especially outperform its untouched extremely high in an exceptionally enormous manner. stepn for the most part is confronting a very tough time jumping aboard within every practical sense other crypto coins, so will GMT cost especially outperform its untouched high? The GMT explicitly is down to nearly 5.21% in every way that really matters, most recent 7 days in a quite huge manner. The coin essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for truly past not very many days. The coin could fundamentally have major areas of strength for commonly at the same time, we don't explicitly feel that it would a beneficial resource and truly transient in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT explicitly diminished by 34.698%, killing an incredible especially normal amount of $0.1388 from its truly current worth, exhibiting how stepn, GMT, value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of STEPN in a real sense is generally anticipated to basically arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0.3375, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $0.3472 and an especially least of $0.3054, which by and large shows that will GMT cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled high in a huge manner. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be an excellent certainly purchase a valuable open door for speedy speculation. So on the off chance that we fundamentally look at the by and large current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, especially further appearance how stepn GMT value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of STEPN essentially is for the most part anticipated to explicitly arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0.3375, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.3472 and a truly least of $0.3054. Which for the most part shows that will GMT cost by and large outperform its record-breaking in every way that really matters, high in an unpretentious way. The 90 days cost change certainly is near 54.35%, and the cost flowed from a truly least by and large normal cost of $0.5112 to sort of greatest sort of normal cost of $0.5930 in every practical sense recent days, showing how this truly makes STEPN, GMT, fundamentally positioning at 117 in the cryptographic money market, or so they for the most part thought. In absolute most recent 4 months STEPN in every way that really matters has shown a developing pattern in an unobtrusive manner. Hence, we explicitly believe that comparable pieces of the market basically were very famous at that period in a fundamentally enormous manner. As per the kind of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of STEPN fundamentally is expanded from 4 months, showing how these explicitly are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future in every way that really matters, significant way. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost, showing how starting around 30 November 2023 STEPN sort of is exchanging at $0.2613 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin certainly is up by 2.17% with the by and large greatest kind of typical cost of the coin in every practical sense was around $0.2901 and the kind of least lovely normal cost of especially was around $0.2849 in beautiful beyond 4 months, which generally shows that stepn sort of past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been somewhat diminished by 3.84% in its really current worth in every way that really matters in opposition to mainstream thinking. STEPN value gauge 2023 facts. What will be STEPN by and large worth in 2023 in a for the most part huge manner? The GMT value sort of is estimated to generally arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.3607, with sort of least